Good morning, first year. I want to just do a little assembly with you. I would love to be able to take you into the hall and speak to you face to face, but in the absence of being able to do so, I would like to just have a wee chat with you and give you some observations about how I think things have been going for you as a year group. First thing I would say is you've really made progress. You've settled in so well. You're now moving around the school building confidently and happily. I notice that you've got friends. Some of you have got groups of friends, and some of you who looked really shy and were struggling in the first instance when you came to secondary school seem to be much more relaxed. So a great big well done. One of the things that I really appreciate is how friendly everybody is. It makes such a difference. It makes the whole school feel nice when we're welcoming you in the morning, you're saying hello, you're waving, and you're just generally being everything that our school values expect you to be. So thank you for that. Please keep that up. Kindness is hugely important to this school. You'll notice your teachers are very kind to you, and it's your job to be kind back. Be thoughtful, offer to give out the pencils, offer to help, hold doors open for people, display your lovely manners. You're a great example to the rest of the school first year, and it's important that we keep our very high standards. So I'm expecting you to show kindness wherever you go. Thank you for wearing your masks. We know that one or two of you are exempt. If that's the case, your guidance teacher will have shared that information with your teachers. For those of you who are wearing your masks, thank you for doing so, for cleaning your desks, for washing your hands, and for keeping everybody safe. That's such an important part of school life just now. Also a really important part of school life is working hard. Sometimes when you're really excited about meeting new friends and getting out to play and getting your lunch, you forget that you're actually here for something amazing, and that amazing thing is your education, and that's going to take you to fabulous places in the world. So never forget to work hard. If you feel that you're not prepared, if you've forgotten your mask, if you've forgotten your breakfast, if you've forgotten your pencil, pop down with your teacher's permission to the preparation station, which is outside my office, and you'll find everything that you need there to make your day better. I appreciate that you're staying in your zones. Notice one or two of you moving out of the first year zone into the older pupil zones. That's not helpful, guys. I need you to be in your zones. So you have got the quad playground and you also have the assembly hall. And they're the only two places that you should be when you're not going to class. So a few other observations that I've made that I want you to really pay attention to, because these are really important things. Some of you, I think, still think this is primary school. Now, why would I say such a thing? That sounds ridiculous. Well, I would say it because I'm noticing you doing things like shoving your pals into the bush. That's what babies do. That's not okay for high school. Guys, as much as anything else, you're likely to hurt your friends, you're likely to damage the bushes, and that's a real shame because the place is looking absolutely fantastic thanks to our staff. But more importantly, you're likely to hurt someone and make yourself look like a bit of an idiot. Because in high school, people don't throw each other into bushes. So let me be clear, if I see that happening again, you'll be spending time in my office explaining yourself to me and why you thought that was a good idea. And then I'll explain quite clearly why it isn't. And we'll take it from there. So no rough play, no shoving each other around. We're not wee babies anymore. I'd be very grateful also if you make sure that you're not at any point eating chewing gum. When you think about chewing gum, it's in your mouth, and with COVID-19, any saliva, anything like that is really unpleasant to deal with and could be very risky. So we need to look after the lovely staff who clean our school and make sure that we've shown them the utmost respect by not doing anything that would make them feel at risk. The last thing I want to say is I'm very aware that some of you are coming to school every day with a great big smile on your face, but inside you might have a lot going on. You might be worried, you might be feeling upset, things at home might be tricky, people might not be very well. I don't want you to shoulder that on your own. You've got fabulous teachers, you've got delightful guidance teachers, they're there to help you. You've got your year head, you've got me, staff all around the school will listen to you if you have any worries. So don't let things build up. If you're worried about anything, come and speak to someone and we will help you to get it sorted out. Anyway, keep up the good work, keep up the excellent uniform, and I wish you well over the next couple of weeks. I'll be in touch again by assembly soon, and in the meantime, just stay the lovely young people that you are. Bye bye.